Seriously. Sorry. You calling the doggies? Nostra? Nana? Maybe that's what he's trying to say. Your name. It's so dark in here. Say Nostra. Doggy. You say hi, dog. Get that thumb out of your mouth. Jace. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Jace. Ew.